keeps coming out flat, hard or crumbly, there's one simple step that will change everything, and most people don't even do it. Stay with me, I'll show you exactly what it is. Hi, I'm Favor, and today we are making Nigerian Moi Moi. So soft, so fluffy, you will never want to buy it outside again. And yes, there's a secret step coming up that you cannot skip if you want that perfect texture. Here's what you need: 3 eggs, red bell peppers, scotch bonnet, and lots of onions. I'm using 2 cups of beans, some seasoning, use whatever seasoning you like, and some oil. I'm also going to be using some Titus fish, of which I have pre-boiled prior to this video. You might as well add any fillings you like. You can add corned beef or even boiled eggs, but for this recipe my eggs are not boiled. Now go ahead to debone your fish. You don't want a situation where there are bones in your moi moi, so take your time and debone your fish very well. Go ahead to blend your beans with peppers and onions until smooth and creamy. A gritty batter will never give you that smooth melt in your mouth bite. For the ultimate flavor, you could use your Titus fish stock, that's the water that remains after you have boiled your Titus fish, to blend your moi moi. I needed the stock for another recipe, so I decided to go ahead and use water, and it still came out absolutely yummy. So if you don't have stock, that's okay. Look at how creamy and smooth our batter looks. It looks so heavenly. Add your eggs into your batter, add seasoning, add some oil, and go ahead and mix. Now, I know people just go ahead to use a spatula to mix their moi moi, and they wonder why their moi moi turns out so heavy, but we're not making that mistake today. Now here's the game-changing secret: whisking. Moi moi batter needs egg just like cake batter. Whisk for 3 to 5 minutes until it is lighter and airy. See the difference? This is exactly why restaurant moi moi feels so soft and bouncy, while homemade ones comes out so dense. Go ahead to add crayfish like I added in this video. Add whatever filling you like and whisk some more. Once you've done the first 5 minutes of whisking, please don't over whisk, don't over mix, so that you don't knock out all the air you just worked in. Now let's go into our cooking proper. For this particular video, I'm using the Avani pouch, and it's a very simple pouch. Whatever pouch you buy in the market, the instructions will be written at the front or at the back, so do well to follow the instructions. For most of them, you only have to fill 3/4 of the pouch. Now you want to cook on low to medium heat. Add in boiling water, or ensure that your water is boiling before you put in your moi moi. Now ensure that the water in your pot does not rise above your wrap. Too much water makes a soggy moi moi, so you want to steam cook. Steam for about 45 minutes to 1 hour depending on the size. I always use foil to trap my own steam. You can do that, it works effectively. Look at that softness. This is the magic of whisking. Fluffy, moist, and it melts in your mouth with every bite. Try this and tell me how it turns out. Let me tell you a secret. I made this moi moi and I froze it in my deep freezer for about 3 months, and it stayed the same. Every time I brought out this moi moi and defrosted it, the taste was exactly the same as the first day. Try this and let me know how it turns out. And hey, if this helped you, like this video, subscribe, and share with someone whose moi moi needs an upgrade. Thanks for watching.